Merry Christmas! I hope you guys all had a wonderful season this year. Oh, okay, well, I'm sure you enjoyed spending time with family. Okay, well, at least you must have liked the shopping, right? And all the price increases on Amazon? Like, seriously? $188? This year, all my little cousin wanted for Christmas was a blobfish, okay? Just let me buy my blobfish. Please. Anyway, let's get to the part about Christmas that everyone likes. The presents. And really, if you don't like presents, you must be the Grinch, okay? You steal Christmas spirit. What a scum, okay? Anyway, back to presents. I thought, what better present to give this year than the gift of knowledge? Which is why I would like to present to you, without further ado, I'm Stalin, and I approve of this message. Okay, so math is a lot more simple than what people make it out to be. Okay, editor, shut off that music. Okay, I cannot be teaching people math when you're playing that terrible music. Play something good. Okay, thank you. As I was saying, math has 4 basic symbols, and we're gonna start by talking about addition. We're gonna start with an example, 1 plus 1, and most of you know the answer to that is 2. Now, we're gonna prove that apple plus apple equals 2 apples. Very simple, but now it's gonna get difficult, because instead of apples, it's gonna be pudding, okay? Pudding plus pudding equals what? More pudding, okay? Not 2 pudding. So, 1 plus 1 equals 2, when 1 does not equal pudding. We're going to use a similar approach with examples. Apple minus apple equals 0, so it's basically a black hole. Now, an apple minus pudding, well, you can't really take pudding out of an apple. That doesn't make sense now, does it? Which is why it equals telephone booth, because that makes absolutely no sense either. Now, the thing you gotta understand about multiplication is that everybody wanted a piece of the money, okay? So that's why there are literally over 20 million different symbols for multiplication. For the purposes of this video, though, we will be using X, which was named after Malcolm X, who discovered this. Anyway, so I'm gonna be giving you inputs, things multiplied against each other, and they're gonna equal something, and you're gonna have to figure out the pattern. Okay, you ready? 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 1. Apple times pudding equals 1. Now I'm sure by now you've caught on to the pattern. The solution is always 1 as long as the X is yellow. Well, this is easy math with Professor Park, and division is not really easy, so, yeah. Some people believe that in a frictionless environment, that 1 plus 1 equals window. However, they did not consider G sub sun and the fact that the time-space of the bars are warped, and so 1 plus 1 actually equals TIE Fighter. Let's say that your teacher tells you that it's impossible to split a black hole. Always think back to our leader Stalin and his famous quote, "No man, no problem." So no teacher, no problem. Easy Math with Professor Park is sponsored by Communism for Kids and by viewers like you.
And I say, hey, what a wonderful kind of day. If you could learn to work and play and get along with each other. You got to listen to your heart, listen to the beat, listen to the rhythm.